up, everybody? I've been away. That's not true. I've been here, but I've stuff, loads of stuff. Wow, listen, I don't know if you've noticed, because I've just noticed, just hit 200 200 subscribe, 200, and you are one of them. Thank you so much. I just can't. Wow, 200 subs. That's like a fleet of subscribers. You're all amazing. I am working on stuff in the background. I've had some commissions to do. I've got loads of stuff ready to put out. It's just putting it together, editing it, and releasing it to you guys. So for the moment, just a quick YouTube short, not me in shorts, because no, you don't want to see that. So 200 subscribers, amazing. Thank you guys, love you all. You're amazing. You are the best, the very best on the whole of YouTube. Thank you. Take care.